Today, I'm going to be showing you some of the items I will be bringing with me to the Wizarding World of Kent. And this takes place on Main Street in Kent, Ohio, and it's going to be on the 28th and 29th. So on the 28th, they have the Run That Shall Not Be Named, which is a 5 3/4 K. They have the Wobbly Wizard Bar Crawl. They're going to do a sidewalk cinema, plus all the shops and restaurants in the area are going to have a whole bunch of different foods and cocktails and desserts and things themed around Harry Potter. And then on the 29th, which is when I will be there, they will have the Wizardly Vendor Village, which is what I will be a part of, and that's going to be on Erie Street. There's over 40 booths with different handcrafted and event-themed items, and that's going to run from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. And then they're going to do a Par for the Curse. They're going to do a Par for the Curse 9-hole wizardry-themed miniature golf event, and that's going to go from noon to 5, and when people participate in that, they get house-colored golf balls, and you also get to keep a Wizarding Weekend drawstring backpack. So I will put a link to all of the information about the Wizardly World of Kent down below, so if you're interested, you can go ahead and find out all the information, and if you want to take place in one of the events that is an extra fee, like the bar crawl or the golf or anything like that, you can actually get those tickets down below. So I will obviously have with me my book, The Wizard's Craft Book, and I will be personalizing and signing them. If you already have one of my books and you're coming to the Wizarding World of Kent, by all means bring it, and I'll be more than happy to sign it for you. But I will have copies available with me, and if you don't have your book with you and you do own one, I can always give you a book plate so you can put the signature right inside your book. I will have a multitude of different potions with me, but if there is a potion that you would like and you are coming to the Wizarding World of Kent, you can actually send me an email to my email here, cookingandcraftchick@gmail.com, and let me know what potions you would like, and I can actually pre-make an order for you that you can just pick up when you're at the Wizarding World of Kent, so you don't have to actually have them shipped, plus then you can kind of specify what you'd like, or if there's certain potions that maybe I won't have with me, I can actually custom make those for you. But I will have a bunch of different potions with me, and they'll be at all different price ranges, so come on by and check out what I've got. I'll have some of my color-shifting potions, you name it, they'll be there. I will also have my candles, so I will have my Fresh Apple Bubbling Cauldron candle, and that is $20, and I will also have my Frozen Frothy Butterbeer candles. I will be bringing my ornaments. So we are going to have the Hogwarts acceptance letter ornaments, as well as the Yule Ball ornaments, and I may throw in a special one if I have time. I will have some of my totes that I sell on my Etsy store, and I will have a discount code for any of the shirts or apparel that I don't have with me at the Wizarding World of Kent for anybody who stops by my booth and would like to order some. As well as bringing some of my Black Flame candles that come with their remote with 6 different timer functions. And now I will be showing you some of the items that my sister has made that will be sold in my booth as well. The next item is probably one of my favorite things that my sister has ever made. It's super cool. So she will be carrying these at the Wizarding World of Kent with me in my booth, and these are wand holders. So when you go to anything, Comic-Con, Universal Studios, anywhere where you want to carry your wand, you can clip this on a purse, a belt loop, anything like that, and you can then carry your wand. So it will just hold. Let me see if I can flatten this out so you guys can see. It literally holds the whole thing. So you can just clip it on your purse, your belt loop, anything like that. And you can take your interactive wand or specialty made wand with you wherever you go. And I think it is so cool. And she put these Stitch Deathly Hallows logos on here. So they're fully embroidered. And then it has the clip for you to easily put that onto whatever you want to clip it onto. A bag, purse, anything. And then she also has these suede styles as well. So she's got the leather and the suede, and they are just super, super cool, really well made. And I love that you can hold your wand. It is so much better than the one you can get at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. And I feel like it's way more tough, too. So it will definitely hold up to your wand being pulled in and out. Really, really cool. These are going to be $20. If you are not going to be at the Wizarding World of Kent and you want to order one of these, you can message her. I'll put her link in the description down below. If not, you can also message me and I'll make sure she gets the message, and we can actually sell you these over the internet, and you can just have them shipped to you. So if you are interested in one of these, let us know, and then I will make sure we can get one out to you. But they are so cool, and I feel like, especially at Universal, these will be fantastic. I can't wait to take mine when I go this year. The next thing my sister is going to carry are these really awesome lace embroideries. And she has these in a variety of different styles, so they range in price. We've got spiders for $5, skulls for $5, small bats are $5, the big bats are $10, the keys are $10. But these are really fun things to have for either Christmas ornaments or Halloween ornaments, or to use around for Halloween decorations or everyday decorations. As well as her lace embroidery, my sister is going to be bringing some of her amazing dog collars. All of her collars are handmade, and they have webbing on the inside, so they have a 550-pound pull strength. So these are great for big dogs, little dogs, all kinds of stuff. She even has martingale collars if that's something you're interested in. These are her 1-inch styles, and this will fit most large breed dogs except for the really giant ones and really overweight beefy dogs. If that's the case, they might want to go to a 2-inch collar, which she carries as well. So for these 1-inch collars, got platform 9 3/4, marauders, every house. She's got all kinds of different fun patterns, Deathly Hallows, you name it, she's got it here. And all of these 1-inch collars are $15 each. And then she will have her smaller 5/8-inch collars for $12 each, and her 2-inch collars for $20. I use these collars for my girls. I know I did a video a long time ago about these. I will definitely put a link to that in the description. But they are fantastic collars. You can wash them up. They hold up really well. And because of that webbing, they are super strong, and they're adjustable to whatever size you need. They have the great loop for the leash, etc. And then we have the clip here that just clips right in, and you are good to go. And like I said, this will fit pretty much every large breed dog until they get to be the giant size. And on top of her collars, she's going to be bringing some of her paracord leashes, and these run for $20 each. And like I said, if you're interested in any of her collars, and she can do anything, if there's a fabric out there, she can make whatever collar you want. If you are interested in any of her collars, wand holders, lace embroideries, any of these leashes, and you are not coming to the Wizarding World of Kent, I will put all of her information down below, and you can order directly from her, and she can ship it to you wherever you are. Right, that's it. I just wanted to show you guys a brief overview of some of the things I'll be bringing with me to the Wizarding World of Kent, so then that way, if you are coming, you kind of have an idea of some of the items to look for. I will also have some items that I haven't talked about here today. But like I said, if there's anything custom that you would like made so that you can just pick it up while you're there, I'd be more than happy to do some custom orders. So just message me. You can message me on Instagram, or you can send me an email. Let me know what you'd like, and then I'll be more than happy to create those for you. I'm super excited to see as many of you there as I can. It's going to be a really fun event, and I'm excited to be a part of it this year. So if you guys like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you're coming to the Wizarding World of Kent, let me know in the comments down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.